SUAPP AIR. How to use Nano Banana Pro. Creating design boards and various analysis charts with Nano Banana Pro is super simple. The key is to continue unlimited use. We can incorporate it into the rendering style. Find links EV2. The preset style on the right side has a banana icon. It's the Nano Banana Pro. The operation method is very simple. Just choose a style with banana logo. Just render directly. For example, conceptual analysis. Master plan to aerial. Storyboard production set of images. You don't need to input many words yourself. Choose a style to render. In addition, we can also use Nano Banana Pro to generate content by adding prompt words. Can be intelligently modified in Links EV2. Find the Banana Pro. Or select Banana Pro in the bottom left corner. The same effect is also achieved. Then we can input text to generate the image you want. For example, let Nano Banana Pro help us design the overall plan. Method 2. We can open SUAPP 8. Click on Banana Assistant. Upload image. And describe your needs. At this moment, the Nano Banana Pro is also connected. Click directly to create. The deductive analysis chart has been created. The effect is quite good, isn't it? Come and experience it, everyone.